Right, so ready? Like it? Stay tuned to learn it. Thank you very much. Right, so to do this move, right, first of all you need your hand here to be facing down. Both hands are facing down. You're going to go over this hand like so, and it's going to bounce. From there you're going to go from that to turning your palm up. From there you're going to straighten these nunchucks out like so. You've got your arms crossed, and you're going to uncross them and straighten the nunchuck out. Okay? From there you're ready for this to be thrown over this wrist. You should be in a pencil grip now. From there, if you have this palm facing the ceiling and you're going to throw it underneath your hand, you're going to catch this stick and you're going to do a wrist rolled clutch. From there you're going to come out the clutch to 1, 2, 3 and stop. So it looks like this. Yeah, so start that again. So we go like this. Right, so from here, now we are, if you go over, so if you throw the nunchuck over this hand, yeah, you'll basically be doing, I think it's a front to front, it could be a back to back. Okay, so feel free to leave in a comment because I can't remember. So you go around like so. From there you're in another pencil grip. Okay, so from there you're going underneath this hand and you're going to turn into the clutch like so. Okay, so that is the basic move. That is basically how to do it. So remember, alright, so you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Done.